Are you looking for the Craigslist for Mesa, Arizona? Well, here is an additional way to navigate to it that is super helpful for people who don't know how to click a link on Google. Now that you're on YouTube, simply go to the description and click the link in there to go to the Phoenix page of Craigslist. Once you are there, you can click other links on Craigslist, whether you are buying or selling. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and may you have a good time buying or selling on Craigslist in Mesa, Arizona. Oh, and by the way, please click the little button with the thumbs up for a like.